back, traders, to another evening update here, our daily wrap-up for you guys. Wanted to say thank you for all of you who are new and who are coming in. Well, guys, we are having just an explosion of new people coming in to kind of see what we're doing with these live updates, and I'm so overwhelmed and excited about it. And for those of you who have taken the opportunity to get involved with the private client group, thank you for that. Welcome. We're going to talk a lot about the private client group in the evening session here after we get done with this. But for right now, let's go ahead and take a look around the market. New Zealand USD, largely a sideways day, really across the board, traders, today. Looking at this with a couple of exceptions. New Zealand US dollar, again, we're still looking for that press down into those 6850s, 6900s area, looking for long entries there, and we'll see if we can get there maybe tomorrow or the next day. Pound USD now, traders, on the 240-minute chart. Again, we're looking for that one-to-one measured move down into ratio confluence along that major structure support line, coming in at around 161 even, 161.20s area. This actually, it looks like it was going to be a really good trade if it does end up materializing, sitting right now, as I rank it, about a CTS 9 if we can get down into it. And once again, we'll reevaluate that when we get closer, but I want to give you guys at least an idea on the CT score, where we're going to be at if things line up the way I'm seeing. But bottom line is, this is going to be a lot of things happening and churning right in there around the 161s area. So if we can get back down in there, it's going to be some excellent opportunities to get long. USD Canada, boys, ring the register. Target 1 attained, 156 pips of profit. So fantastic. I'm very excited. This trade worked out really, really well, with the exception of this spike high here that we see. Market did exactly what we anticipated. It pulled right back. So target 1 attained. We're still looking for target 2, but right now a really, really great trade. USD Canada starts us off for the month of November in just great shape. Euro pound now, traders, on the 4-hour chart. Again, that ratio confluence coming in at the major structure support level right around the 8800s level. I would call it 8820 probably, where we would be wanting to look for long entries there. So this is, again, we've had really a sideways day, a little bit of a pullback here, or a push higher on the euro pound, but again, it's been a lot of red candles here, and heavy red candles, which we always like to see, and now really just the market finding a little bit of a base here. But I would anticipate this market to press a little bit lower. I mean, there's no reason to see why we wouldn't come down in, why the market wouldn't want to test those structure levels. So we'll keep an eye on it. That one could happen into the European session tonight. So for those of you who trade that European session, be on the lookout. Pound yen, traders, talked about it last night, said I was looking for a press back up into these 153.22s, not much before then, and market did find a little support in here today, right at that 50% retrace level again, and we're starting to see that rally. So I don't see a lot here. I don't like, qualifications for taking a trade on the CT score is a CTS of 5 or better. I'm sorry, CTS of 3 or better. But I really don't like to even throw them out there unless there's 6, 7s, or 8s. I mean, we don't really need to get involved with anything other than that. There's plenty of opportunities to make money without taking those higher risk trades. But for those of you who are in the private client group, start running through your trader syntax, start running through your rules for engagement there, and just determine, hey, does this meet my qualifications as far as my ranking system to enter the market. You may say, hey, I'm highly comfortable with taking those CTS 3s. I don't mind that at all, and if you do, then great, but just recognize that I'm not going to present those to you guys, because I want to present the best trades that are possible, so that if you guys are out there, part of the free client group that are just watching these emails, I want you guys to be able to actually trade and make a little bit of money. So anyway, nothing going on right here with pound yen right now. We'll just keep an eye out. Euro yen, guys, continuing to consolidate here at the bottom. ID the bullish divergence here at the bottom, guys. Came right down to that 127 on bullish divergence. Now we've retested this support level here at around the 132. So you know, where's this thing going? I really don't know at this point. We're just going to have to wait for a pattern formation to set up that we can trade. So for right now, euro yen, we're going to have to table it.